Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. So if you watched my video last week, then you already know that we recently toured another floor plan here in Westwood Reserve. But today we're taking a look at a completely different layout. So if you have been comparing floor plans to see which one best fits your lifestyle, this tour is definitely for you because this one offers a unique design you don't see every day. Westwood Reserve is a beautiful new townhome community by David Weekley Homes. The community will feature 239 townhomes with 3 thoughtfully designed floor plans ranging from approximately 1,598 to 1,713 square feet, with homes currently starting in the upper 300,000s. Now, one of the things buyers will love most about Westwood Reserve is the low maintenance lifestyle. For an HOA fee of $158 per month, you will enjoy lawn and grounds maintenance, giving you more time to enjoy everything the community has to offer. Future amenities will include a community center, resort-style swimming pool, pickleball courts, dog parks, outdoor gathering areas, and even a golf course just 5 miles away. Plus, you're within walking distance of public transportation and have easy access to I-77. Now, let's take a look at today's featured home. Today, we are touring the Nuthatch, starting at $389,680. This floor plan offers approximately 1,598 square feet, an oversized 2-car garage, and one of the most unique layouts you will find in this community. Depending on your needs, this home can be configured as either a 2-bedroom plus a study or a 3-bedroom home. On the first floor, you have 2 layout options. You can choose to have 2 secondary bedrooms, or you can convert one of those bedrooms into a flex room or study, perfect for a home office, fitness room, media room, playroom, or even a hobby space. What really sets this floor plan apart is that your main living space is located upstairs. The second floor features an open concept kitchen, dining area, and a family room, creating a bright and inviting space that's perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing at home. The owner's retreat is also located on the second floor, providing added privacy from the secondary bedrooms downstairs. You will also find the owner's bath with dual vanities, a separate shower, a spacious walk-in closet, and the conveniently located laundry area all on the same level. So, if you choose to do the downstairs study, this home functions as a 2-bedroom plus a study. But if you select the second bedroom instead, you'll have a 3-bedroom layout with 2 secondary bedrooms on the first floor and the owner's suite upstairs. If you're thinking about buying a new construction home in the Charlotte area and would like help comparing builders, communities, incentives, or floor plans, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.